Right, so this is a room tour for the Rosen International, room 3412. So as you come in, you've got an air conditioning unit, you've got a wee chair, we've got the family room, so there's 2 double beds, which is randomly, for 4 of us, we've got 6 pillows, so we'll be arguing over who gets them. You've got quite a big telly on the cabinet there, there's enough drawers for us all. There's a wee desk which we've got for our charging station, so you'll have to excuse the mess. There's a wardrobe, comes with hangers. We've got all our shirts and stuff hanging up in there. And then you come in and there's not really anywhere to store cases, so they won't go under the bed, so we've just had to stick them there. There's a little fridge there and a microwave, and then up the top you've got a coffee machine. You've got a little vanity sink. And then you've got the toilet in here and the bath, which is quite nice to have a bath, and a shower, which I've already turned on, and it seemed quite powerful. So, yeah. So it's a decent enough room. There's quite a few sockets. Oh, should also add that there is an iron and an ironing board, which is quite handy. So yeah, that's the room tour for the Rosen International, room 3412.